Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn on or turn off dim flashing lights on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next in here, you could choose to use double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. And then we scroll down to the accessibility section. And then tap on dim flashing lights. Now dim flashing lights is a feature allowing video content that depicts repeated flashing or stropping lights. It will be automatically dim, so the video timeline will display when flashing lights occur in the content for supported media. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. So to turn on or turn off dim flashing lights, you can double tap at the back to switch it on or turn off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.